I'm an application developer with IT Students Solutions, and what my job entails is I help develop web applications which help with various parts of student life. Sometimes some of our work is involved with university residences, some even with card office and registrar. So it's a diverse set of applications that I work for.
I think really going back to university residences, she's worked a lot with them, especially with StarRes and housing needs, and her unique abilities with StarQL and SQL. She really helps the university residences folks, Rob Cumberland's area, with special reporting needs and really distilling down the data. Time and again, she jumps in to help them when needed.
So Sulini, I am proud to be announcing you as our award winner this quarter for stewardship.
Oh, thank you. Okay, that was a surprise.
We knew you'd be surprised.
Basically, I thought it was a usual project meeting, and then I had Dr. Mikowski actually tell me that I won the award. So it was a huge surprise. It took me some time to get over that surprise.
Really just jumping in and doing work to support all of the attributes of the StarRes system, helping others with accessing the information that they need to do their work, as well as just being an overall great steward of this very important data. So we are thrilled to be able to offer you this award.
It's very exciting. It feels wonderful to be appreciated, and it motivates me to do better.